Oh, damn it. Did too soon. Takes your life, four-wheeler. Well, the westbound is coming up, so I have it now.
There he is.
Yep.
Ew. Jevo. Yeah.
CSX E782 West 1 clear shin. 3388
E782.
Do you want me to record it or are
No,
you going to?
alright. Okay, now why is the southbound stopped?
Oh my gosh.
Is it clear, but why you just not moving us like? I don't know.
This is BS. That stupid dispatcher cannot get his crap together.
That's why I think 5 o'clock we're gonna call it.
I say we freaking call it after this train. Freaking done.
Yeah, it's like, like you said, if you don't catch 12 ball, all well.
I don't care at this point. Usually you'd think I'd be freaking going insane if I don't catch it, but right now I
You're tired enough. Plus, I think you got school tomorrow. That's another reason why I say yeah.
Yeah, I don't care. Now, if it's a heritage unit that I have not seen, and that's really cool, or the Wabash, we'd be freaking sitting out here all night.
Alright, he's moving now. He should be here any minute. They're southbound.
Okay, good, thank you.
And he should be here any minute. Because right now, the head end should be coming up. Should be.
On this coal train?
No, the NS. Right now, I don't know.
I don't know what's going on.
I don't know where this, I don't know where the travel ball is, so you know what? Oh well. I try to stay as long as I can. I tried.
Yep. That's the main reason I came out here.